Hi everyone, welcome to my unboxing and review of the Ting fire prevention sensor. You can get this product on Amazon for about $99. Check out the link in the description. The device comes with a quick start guide and a user manual. The Ting sensor is a simple plug-in device that can be placed in any outlet and detects electrical hazards 24/7. Setting up the Ting device is very easy and only takes a few minutes. The Quick Start Guide tells you exactly what to do, and you just have to download the app and follow the instructions. After entering your Wi-Fi information, the device automatically connects. Included in the purchase of the Ting device is 1 year of fire prevention service. After that, it costs $49 annually. The fire prevention service includes a repair credit of $1,000 for Ting identified electrical hazards. The Ting device monitors your home 24/7, and the app provides alerts for hazards, power outages and more. You also receive an email with a weekly monitoring report. I tested the Ting device for about a year and I think it's a great product. I have an older home and I was always worried about the electrical wiring, but now I feel pretty confident. I can always check the app for possible issues. I receive push notifications and the weekly monitoring report. So if you are looking for a device that significantly reduces the electrical fire risk in your home and makes you feel safer, I would recommend the Ting Fire Prevention Sensor. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.